Keep everything nice and relaxed here. Just let your head drop into my hand here. Good. Perfect. Good. Alright, now let's do this side. There. Same thing here. Keep it nice and relaxed. Perfect. Good. She knows the routine already, but go ahead, breathe in and out again for me. Good. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good.